Hi everyone, here's your host AJ. Today I'm here with a new gadget, Razer BlackShark V2 X gaming headset. 7.1 surround sound, 50 drivers, memory foam cushion for PC, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Switch 3.5 audio jack. If we say about generation, it is second generation. There are three colors of this headset. One is black, white, and green. The style is for PC. Material, it is made up of memory foam titanium brand. The brand name is Razer. If we say about this item, it has advanced passive noise cancellation, sturdy, closed ear cups fully cover ears to prevent noise from leaking into the headset, with its cushion providing a closer seal for more sound isolation. There is a facility of 7.5 surround sound for positional audio, output with custom tuned 50 drivers, capable of software-enabled surround sound, only available on Windows 10, with 64-bit Triforce titanium 50 high-end sound drivers with titanium coated diaphragms for added clarity. Our new cutting-edge proprietary design divides the driver into three parts for the individual tuning of highs, mids, and lows, producing brighter, clearer audio with richer highs and more powerful lows. It is lightweight design with breathable foam ear cushions. At just 240 grams, the BlackShark V2 X is engineered from the ground up for maximum comfort. Razer Hyperclear Cardioid mic. Improved pickup patterns ensures more voice and less noise as it tapers off towards the mix, bike, and sides. It has cross-platform compatibility. It works with PC, Mac, PlayStation 4, Xbox One, Nintendo, Switch via 3.5 jack. Enjoy unfair audio advantage across almost every platform. In Xbox One, stereo adapter may be required purchase separately.